Welcome back, teachers. In last video we see the how can we create a class. In the second last video we see how the faculty sign up. In this video we will learn how the student will sign up in that portal, in our portal, right? There is a two way you can sign up using a front side means you just give the link to the student will go to the sign up page, select student, first name, last name, password, that type he can sign up, right? We can also add a student from principal account, right? I want to add some student into that Gujarati class, so click on the student and click the add student button, and here is I supposed to put any student name, his password, his mobile number, and add. When we click on the add button, student name will not visible into that class, so for that we have to repeat our faculty sign up process. For that we have to go for the unverified in the extra tab button. We see that there is a one student sign up over there, but the not subscribe yet is still be there. So for that what we have to do is, so go for that tab, login page. I just go for the login page, and whatever the number I have entered, right, and sign up. When you click on the sign up, we have to select the subject of that student and click on the update, right? When you click on the update, student sign up is completed. But when we click on that our unverified tab, we see the student, and if we click on this checkbox, then only student subscription will activate and student will also visible to that one. Okay, so that subscription also be activated. Okay, another I want to mention here, the sometimes student also sign up into that faculty account, because in the front side if we log out, right, if we click on the sign up faculty, the most of the sometimes mistake faculty sign up. So what you have to look into when you click on the checkbox, here is a sign up of student or class. Here is a student sign up in a Gujarati class, so you have to verify that one, so that you don't require to delete the student again. Okay, so this is the process of sign up a student. Okay, so sign up student is a very simple form, right? You have to just go through the one time process, just click add as one by one student, or just share the link of the your portal, like, and give the student, so the student automatically sign up by themselves, and then you have to just click on the verified button. Okay, so this is a student sign up. Just we have finished over here, and we will go for the next video. Thank you very much.